Now say that 10 times fast, the one that I didn't point to.
Wing, wing. Oh, yeah, I know this.
Nothing feels better, nothing feels better, nothing feels better.
Hey guys, it's Emily, and today I thought I would give you guys a tour of my apartment, and I hope you guys like this video. So right now I am currently at BYUI, and the apartments that I'm staying at right now it's called the Ivy, but they actually just changed their name to University View Rexburg. I think that's what it's called. And normally these apartment complexes have 6 girls to 1 room and then 2 per bedroom, but there was actually only 3 of us in this room, so we all got our own room. And then one of our roommates actually went home, so now it's just me and my roommate Mikkel, and we have this huge apartment all to ourselves. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a tour now. So we're gonna start with my room. So I have this mirror on the back of my door so that I can see my outfits. And then we have one desk over here. It just has my Keurig and then my docking station for my watch. And then some junk up there. There's my work clothes and yeah, okay. So then we have this part of the closet. Has all my shoes, some like church clothes and dresses. And my hamper. And then that's a balloon for my boy. Over here, these are like sheets that I don't use and clothes that I don't wear. More clothes, some bins. And then over here, I have junk up there. This is a box of stuff like all from my boyfriend. There's nothing in that filing cabinet. This bin is all just junk. This is all makeup, and then we come down here and I just have, this is where I do my makeup and where I do my homework, so that's my little desk area. What's up? And then I have these just got into the clean checks, so yeah, sorry about that, but now I will continue. So yeah, I just have these Polaroids right here by my desk. Here's the window, and there's my bed. So it's very big. It's because there's 2 twin beds and I pushed them together to make one big bed since I have my own room. Lots of pillows, and I have lights up there. And then here's more Polaroids I'll show you, and a lot of them are really old, but oh well. And then right here I have a little nightstand table thing with junk in there. And then I have these 2 shelves. I have clothes and just miscellaneous stuff. Okay, so here's my bathroom. There's 2 sinks and a bunch of cabinets. And then you come in here, there's the toilet, and then a shower. So that's bathroom. There's Mikkel. That's my roommate.
Hi.
And this is her room. Very pretty. She also has a mega bed. Okay. And her room is basically set up the same as mine. Here's her bathroom. She has the same as me. And here's the hallway. Here's our laundry room. So we have a washer, dryer. We also have a fridge in here and some shelves over there. So here's our laundry room. This is another bedroom. This is of our other roommate named Jelly, but she moved out. Now, here's the kitchen. So we have a microwave, a dishwasher, an oven, a stove, a sink, a lot of cabinets. Then we have another fridge. This is our pantry. So it has a bunch of food in there. That's our pantry. We don't have a garbage can, so we just use that. And then this is our living room. It has 2 couches. Something's wrong with our blinds. I don't know what happened, but yeah. It's all decorated because it was just my roommate Mikkel's birthday. So wish her a happy birthday in the comments below. So that's our living room. And then this is just another closet. It has like a broom and a vacuum and then some water in it. Okay, what's this?
The light.
What's this?
The light. The tip. I. B.
Okay, so which one did I not say? Like, did I not point to?
The wing.
Okay, remember that, okay? Now, your thumbs up? Yeah. Okay. Now say that 10 times fast, the one that I didn't point to.
Wing. Oh, yeah, I know this.
Okay, and that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I think that's about it. See you guys later.
It feels better.